Our focus at the airport is to create a balance between nature and global technologies. We want to set the trend to transform the way that people think about sustainability. The primary reason that we looked at dynamic glass is because we were trying to find that next level of clean tech solution that not only solves some of our energy and environmental challenges, but also improve the comfort level for our customers.
We look at this from a perspective of people, planet, profit. People, how does it improve the human environment? Planet, what are we doing to create a more sustainable business? And profit, can this be good business? When we look at tools and technologies that can do all three, that's a win for airports. Dynamic glass really fit that bill.
In the twisted root location, when there was glare, no one would want to sit there. They can just experience the space more, and they can experience the culture of the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport.
People get to look outside and enjoy the environment, to be able to see the cityscape around us, to be able to see planes taking off and landing. We're actually creating a better, more comfortable place where people are enjoying themselves as they go about their journey.